So you're going to change the plugs of a Honda CRV 2017, 18, 19, and even 2020 should have the same compartment in the engine. So let's get down with it. Okay, so now let's walk to the engine bay. You have to take off this compartment. That's the air filter compartment. So that's where the air intake goes. We lose the bolts gently. Take it off gently. Watch it. Take off the bolts. You can use your fingers. It's safe. Don't worry. So take it out easily, gently. Put them somewhere. Okay, so now lift it gently. To get to the spark plugs, you need to lift that off. Okay, so as you can see, the plugs are down there. They have 4 coils on the plugs. So I'll show you in a bit how to take it off. So you put your hand beneath the air filter compartment and lift it gently. Watch it. So lift it. Yep. So now you have 4 coils. So the plugs are in the chamber there. So each cylinder has a plug in it. So take it off. And you have to use a spanner to get it out. The same spanner, which is a 10. And so lose the coils gently. Take it out gently. Sometimes if you do it forcefully, you can even break the bolts. So you just have to do it gently. It depends how long it has been for you to change your plugs. So I will take it off gently. Oh, I had some difficult times there, but I got it. Yeah. So that's it. So you take it out. Don't take the bolts out completely. Just wait. Just lose the bolts of all the coils. So you have 4. Starting from the left, you have the cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep. So that goes with it. Take it off gently. So now use your finger, unscrew the bolt. It should be easy for you to take it out now since it's loose. Yep. So take it out one by one. Gently. No. Take it out gently. Okay. So please subscribe, Just like, share, and subscribe, Okay, so take out the cables from the ignition coils. Take it out gently. So I need to press and pull out. You press and pull it out so you get access to it. Yeah, so let me just try and get it out here. Let me try and get it out here. It's a bit tight, but yep, so it's out. So now you remove all the coils one by one. Yep. So that's the first one, which is the cylinder 1. Go to the second, take it out. The third, take it out, and the 4th coil to take it out. Yeah. So yep. Let's see. So use your coil spanner. A spanner for the spark plugs, So this is a special tool for the plugs to get plugs out. It's a bit hard to take it out. So this is your new plugs to put in. I use NKG iridium. So since I'm changing the plugs, I just need to change the air cleaner to the filter. So I remove the plugs with a coil gently. You put it in after losing it. Put it in gently to lose it. Yeah. Take out all the plugs. So that's the 4th one and last one. taking everything out. So these are the new ones, NG key iridium plugs. So I'm just gonna put them in. Each cylinder gets one coil. It's new. Yes. So the cylinder with a coil and a spark plug. So each cylinder gets a spark plug. Yeah, that. So use the tool to tighten but mind you shouldn't tighten it very hard for future. In case you want to change your plugs again, it could break inside if you're losing. So just tighten it. It should be a bit tight, not too hard. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, just tighten it. It takes a while, but we'll get there, So we put it back in there and make sure it's turning down there. You can feel it whilst you're turning. Yeah. So gently, yeah. So that's it. Well, tighten it. Yeah. It takes a while, but it's worth the wait. Okay. So that's the second one. After several turns, it tightens, but not too much, mind you, not too much. Okay, so tighten it. Not too much. Okay, this is a CRV 2020. So this applies to a lot of Honda cars. You have similar mechanism, okay, and similar formats on how to do it. So with the Civic, the Accord, and the CRV, you have a common engine base. Yeah, just similar, but none of the same performance. Just similar. Okay, don't forget to like. So we just tighten all the. Tighten it very. That's the last one we tighten. Let's get it very tight. Okay. Get it tight. Go in there. Tight it. Yep. Get it very. Okay. So that's it. So putting back the coils. Yes, putting back the coils and putting the connector. For each coil, you put back in here, so we don't forget to put back the connector, because that's where the ignition is in. Okay, so that's it. So put in the third one and lock. Each socket has its numbering, so you put them exactly where you took it from. Yes, to avoid any further problems. Okay, so that's the last one. Put it in. Okay. So putting back the bolts. Yeah. So tighten the bolts with your finger to a level, then you use your spanner to just fasten it. But mine not too hard, as I made mention earlier, not too hard, Okay. So, yep, that's our wrench. Use it. Just tighten there. Just tighten there. It's too loose, so just make it tight. Yeah. So tight a bit. You need to. Yep, just like that. Use your hand. When it's tight, then use the wrench to just tighten a bit. Yeah. But that's the second one we're on. Okay, let's go again. Tighten it. Okay, so it's almost done here. Yeah, exactly. So it's almost done. Yep. Okay, so put in the last bolt and tighten the fourth coil onto the plugs here. Yeah. So it's as easy as that. You just watch and just change. You can do it yourself. You don't need to go to the mechanic to get some. You can just get the tools and do it yourself. It's no big deal about it. You can save some dollars, save some money. Doing this, watching this, you can do it yourself. So now after that, you just test the car, turn it on, and then boom, everything sounds right. Engine, there's no misfire on the engine. Everything is cool. Yes, so we are done here. Just like and subscribe, okay? And share. All right, so that's a compartment clean.